Hey, it's Callie here at the Waterworks. Just wanted to let you know we've got a really awesome spring clean bundle ready to go for you. It's going to include, of course, the very most important thing, your system flush. This product's designed to clean the plumbing lines before you drain. So ready or not, here comes the gunk out of the plumbing, but it's going to make sure that you're going to have a nice sparkling tub when you get it refilled. While you've got that tub in the process of getting that cleaning going, we would recommend cleaning your filters. We've got Leisure Time Filter Clean here. Pull those filters, soak them, minimum of 4 hours, and then be sure and pressure wash them out. Finally, in our Spring Clean bundle, we recommend the product called Metal Be Gone. This product is designed to be used when you do your final fill. And what it's going to do is it's going to keep metals and minerals from adhering to the spa surface, and most importantly, from adhering to that heating element. There's some extra goodies in here too. We've got some aromatherapy. This stuff right here is fantastic, a wonderful way to relax in the hot tub after a well-deserved spa clean. Different scents are included in each bundle, 2 or 3 capfuls of this wonderful aroma, and it'll definitely take you to a place far into tropical paradise. Finally, of course, we've got Kiko Tabs. This one is designed to be a monthly filter cleaning product. Still need to pull your filters from your tub. And then, of course, a new little rubber ducky and another little aromatherapy option. So take a look at it. Give us a call. We've got these on special right now. This package is valued at $60, on special at $39. Go ahead and click, give us a call, and we'll get that on order today. Bye.